This is a brief video on the important differences between insurance and discount programs. When we talk about discount programs, we're talking about discount health, dental, and vision programs, and there are many of them on the marketplace today. So we are going to look at those plans compared to traditional health, dental, and vision insurance plans. Whether using a discount program or an insurance plan, it is very important to emphasize the need to use in-network care facilities and in-network providers. We see so many times where individuals pay much more out of pocket because they go outside of the network instead of sticking with their plan. So please, whether you have a discount program or an insurance plan, read the policy, read the documentation, understand who your providers are and what facilities to use, and use those providers and facilities, or you may pay the full amount out of pocket or a good portion of that. Let's take a look at health insurance first. Health insurance typically has three components, and that would be the deductible, which is the total amount you pay out of pocket before any health insurance benefits kick in. The co-insurance amount is what you're familiar with as being the 60-40, 70-30, 80-20, 90-10, whatever it may be, the percent you will pay out of pocket, and the insurance company picks up the rest, and that will be the amount between the deductible and the full coverage. So you'll pay that amount in many plans, and the insurance will pay their portion, and then once you hit a certain cap or you're maxed out of pocket, then the insurance kicks in as long as you're staying with in-network providers and in-network facilities. That should be covered depending on what your policy states. There may be some limits on the dollar amount per procedure, but again, then you would have that full potential coverage that would kick in thereafter. Dental and vision insurance plans are a bit different in that they do have deductibles, which is the amount again that you pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in typically. Their co-insurance is typically how you'll operate in a dental and vision insurance plan. And it may be different depending on the plan you actually own. But for example, in a dental plan, your cleanings, exams are typically free because of your premiums are paying for that. Or there may be a little cost, a smaller cost to pay for that dental or cleaning exam, whatever it may be. But if you have other procedures like extractions, fillings, crowns, those things, those kinds of coverage typically have, or procedures have a different kind of coverage. So typically your basic procedures like extractions and fillings will have, let's say for example, an 80% coverage. The more extensive things you may need in a dental plan like crowns, root canals, etc. are considered advanced in most plans. Those typically have a lower percent of coverage by the insurance company, and you pick up more of the share, typically around 50-50. So again, in those plans, you're essentially getting discounts from the insurance company. They're paying some, you're paying some, unlike in health insurance where you eventually reach a max out of pocket and full coverage begins. In vision insurance plans, you have a deductible typically, and you also have co-insurance. You may get free eye exams or low-cost eye exams in your plan depending on the one you have. And the co-insurance may work like this, where you can actually maybe get free glasses or contacts up to a certain dollar amount. Anything over that dollar amount and you still want to get a more expensive pair of either contacts or glasses, you'll get the benefit up to the dollar amount that is in the policy, and then you pay over that if you get more expensive eyeglasses or contacts. Dental and vision insurance plans have maximum benefits payable per year. In dental plans, it's typically anywhere between $750 to maybe $2,000 or more, depends on the plan that you have. But after you hit that amount, and if you still need more care for that year, let's say for crowns, root canals, dentures, whatever it may be, you would actually pay that amount out of pocket from there until your next benefit year picks up. Vision insurance is very similar in that once you get your glasses or contacts for the year, you will have to wait until the next benefit year to continue getting coverage. All right, the discount health, dental, and vision programs. One of the benefits of these programs is typically they are very small in cost for on a monthly basis, that are a fraction of the cost of the premiums for insurance. There is no deductible typically in these plans. You start paying from the first dollar spent. However, you receive the discounts from the first dollar spent too, so that's important to note. This is very good for people that are in generally good health, that need to have that availability of having the discounts in case something were to happen, but don't need extensive care. These are also great plans for people that have insurance to supplement them. As we just said, in insurance plans, you're capped off typically from dental and vision to go beyond whatever the maximum amount of benefit for the year is. Many people will have these plans as a backup, so when the benefits run out in the insurance plans, these plans can continue on because several things. They offer more extensive services typically, so more procedures are covered at the discounted rate, and there's unlimited usage. So if you get into that, dentures or many different crowns and fillings and other things in dental or whatever it may be, and you have a high bill for the year, your insurance has ran out, you can actually dip into these if you use the in-network providers and still get great discounts for the care that would otherwise not be covered because you reached your max in your insurance plans. As professional risk managers, we believe it is important for everyone to have the full circle of coverage. We believe you now will see the importance of having health, dental, and vision insurance, plus having a discount program to help mitigate the areas that are not covered in your insurance plans. Thank you for watching this video presentation brought to you by the Easy Insurance Group. Please visit our nationwide insurance marketplace at either easyInsuranceGroup.com or easyInsuranceGroup.net for all of your personal and business insurance and financial services needs.